26 somersaults in 37 seconds. Non-stop flips. He is the first person to attempt this record as a kid. Officially, we can announce this as a Nobel World Record. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us applaud him thunder. We have here Mr. Arun Prabha, who will be honoring Adrian. An uncanny ability to mastering this art form is truly inspiring. Just here to perform, he is here to conquer. Along with Adrian, we have
with honor and humility. Protect his competitive spirit, be fueled by a desire to excel, not for just in their child the values of humility, gratitude and compassion. Bless his coach and all his near and dear ones. May they experience your peace.
We are honored to welcome Ms. Firoza, member of the church committee, Nityadar Parish. A warm welcome to all. We welcome Mr. Satish. A cordial welcome to our inspiring principal of Commerce School, Sister Lily Pushpa. Let us now witness this spectacular event. Let the remarkable record. Congratulations, Adrian. We are proud of your incredible performance. This young champion's journey is not merely about breaking a record. Proving that with hard work, belief, and a touch of brilliance, anything is possible. Let us now honor Adrian for his extraordinary performance.
"26 somersaults in 37 seconds. Non-stop flips. He is the first person to attempt this record as a kid. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಬ್ಬರು I can say his name, 𝐾.𝐳𝐵 ಅವರು 1 minute 2 seconds ನಲ್ಲಿ 29 somersaults ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ at the age of 49 years. That was the first record, and as a kid he is the first person to attempt this. Officially, we can announce this as a Nobel World Record. Thank you.
Adrian to come forward and accept the honor from Ladies and gentlemen, let us applaud him thunder with we have here Mr. Arun Prabha, who will be honoring Adrian.
Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Mangaluru, empowering dreams and achieving greatness since 1985. Dr. M.V. Shetty College prides itself in its history of 38 years. It undertook path-breaking initiatives in Indian higher education with the introduction of innovative and modern curricula, insistence on academic discipline, imparting of holistic education, and adoption of global higher education practices with the support of creative and dedicated staff. First private college in Karnataka offering diverse healthcare programs offers you multiple of courses. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions is a nurturing ground for an individual's holistic development to make effective contribution to the society in a dynamic environment. Dr. M.V. Shetty Institutions, Kavu Road, Vidyanagar, Mangaluru, Karnataka 575013. Contact 0824 248 1048, 0824 248 1096. Website www.mvshettycolleges.edu.in.
ಸುದ್ದಿ ಚಾನಲ್ ಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷಣದ ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ